Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube video in background in Infinix device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to Play Store. As you guys know that we don't have any default setting about this feature, so we have to use third-party application. So just go to Play Store and then search for black screen. So this is the application. Just install this application here. Now after installation, just tap to open and then select the clock style. After that, floating log style. So just select any floating log style. By the way, I am selecting this one and then click on start. Give permission and allow the permission from here. Now go back and click start. Again allow the permissions. Okay, as you see it is now start. This is the floating log. Now time to check. So just go to YouTube and then play any video. Now just click on floating log. So as you see the video is running in the background but the screen is off. Let me open. So double tap here then click unlock. So this is how we can play YouTube on a background in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.